English phrases unpacked. Compete in a race. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, compete in a race. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversation and various contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage is crucial for English language learners. Let's explore it together. Compete in a race is a phrase composed of two key components, compete and in a race. To compete means to take part in a contest or competition, striving to win or succeed against others. A race, on the other hand, refers to a competition of speed, where participants try to be the fastest in reaching a specific goal. Together, the phrase means participating in a speed-based contest, aiming to outperform others. While the phrase often relates to sports, like running, swimming, or car racing, it can also be used metaphorically. For example, in business, our company needs to compete in the race for innovation. In academics, students compete in a race to secure the best grades. These examples show the phrase's versatility in describing any situation where there is competition. English learners might confuse compete in a race with similar phrases like participate in a race. While participation implies being a part of the event, competing emphasizes the intention to strive for victory. Let's practice with a couple of sentences. 1. She trained hard to compete in the national sprint race. 2. In the fast-paced tech world, companies constantly compete in a race for innovation. I hope this video clarifies the phrase, compete in a race, for you. Remember, it's all about participating with the aim of winning in a contest of speed or other forms of competition. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. See you in the next video.